as 2 years, my friend started to take vaping. He was very love it and take the vape more than 5 times per day. I am very worried about him and he is just looked at me and said there is nothing to worry because this vape is less harmless than crickets. After 1 year, he started to feel hard to breathe. He also badly coughed and cannot sleep at night. The next 3 months, his family thought he fainted at bedroom and walked him to the hospital immediately. He was diagnosed with lung cancer stage 2. Fortunately, doctor managed to control the cancer from spreading to other parts in his body. Now, he is in recovery state and started to stop taking the vape anymore. From then on, I started reading up on vaping and e-cigarettes effect to human body in internet, newspaper and magazine. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, what I want to share to you is about health effect of vaping and e-cigarettes. Now, I want to share the background of this topic. E-cigarettes and vaping devices have dominated the public and academic debate on tobacco control since its introducing into the market. E-cigarettes and vaping are different, and e-cigarettes usually shaped like a pen filled with nicotine, while vapes are handled in devices that may not have nicotine in its e-juice or oil. Research in Journal of Community Health by Li Ping Wong in 2006 revealed that 39% of e-cigarette smokers are youth in university, while 36% are young professionals. Besides that, the World Health Organization WHO also estimates that more than 20,000 male adults in Malaysia die every year due to compilation smoking habit. This chart is describing about e-cigarettes among students Malaysia. From this chart, you can see that the world user which is using both cigarettes and e-cigarettes are the highest with 40.3%. E-cigarettes user never that use smoke contain 20.5% and 80.7% of smokers never use e-cigarettes. Next, 40.1% of e-smokers use e-cigarettes while ex-smokers never use e-cigarettes are 6.5% only. Ladies and gentlemen, vaping and e-cigarettes give us 3 major health effects, which are irreversible lung damage, heart disease, and damaging our brain function. The first point is irreversible lung damage. Lung cancer kills nearly 1.8 million people globally in 2018, of which 61.4% of that occurred in Asia Pacific region, according to data compiled by the International Agency of Research of Cancer (IARC). According to this chart, they will show the total of new cases of lung cancer across ASEAN in 2018 in Indonesia were 30,023 people, while in Malaysia were 44,680 people only. The total death from lung cancer were recorded highest in Indonesia, which is 26,095 people. The second highest new cases of lung cancer was in Thailand, which is 20,957 people, and Vietnam, 23,667 people. The third total death from lung cancer in Thailand were 21,371 people, and 20,710 people died in Vietnam. Brunei was the lowest total from lung cancer. Brunei was the lowest total of new lung cancer, which are 105 people only, and total death from lung cancer was 77 people only. Ladies and gentlemen, from data above, we can conclude that many students in Malaysia were using e-cigarettes and vaping. The total number of new cases of lung cancer and total death from lung cancer were highest in ASEAN in 2018. The health effect of vaping and e-cigarettes will badly serve to our body and can bring us to death. Thank you.